My name is Alvin, and this is my first ever Java coding video. I made this channel to help people like me understand Java in a more clear way in more simpler tutorials. And I'm very excited to get started. As you can see on the screen, I've already written a small Java program, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step and show you what it does. If you've never coded before, don't worry. We'll take it step by step, and you'll see how fun it is when the computer finally talks back to you. This program asks for your name and age and does a little math and then gives you a personal message. Let's look at it together. At the very top, you can see the package. That is where we store the class. But don't worry, we'll go over this in a different type of video. After that, I use import java.util.scanner. Scanner is basically a tool that lets Java read what we type. Then I make a class called basics. Every program in Java needs a class. Inside, there's a method called main. That's where every Java program starts running. Here, I create a new scanner called SC, so I can get input from the keyboard. Next, the computer asks your name and waits for me to type. Whatever I type gets saved in the variable name. Then it asks for my age and saves that in a variable called age. After that, I calculate next age, which is basically just your age plus one more year. The program then prints a friendly message. Hi name, next year you'll be next age. Finally, there's an if-else statement. If you're 15 or older, it says you can learn to drive soon. Otherwise, it says you have a few more years to go. Alright, let's run it now. So first, I'll type my name and then my age. And look, it responds with a custom message just for me. It even tells me my age next year and whether I can drive soon or not. This is our first interactive Java program. So in this one little program, we use variables to store data, a scanner to read inputs, math to calculate, and an if-else statement to make decisions. That's a lot of power in just a few lines of code. Thanks for watching. If you like this, try running yourself and changing the messages to something fun. Maybe tell the user their lucky number or favorite food. In the next video, we'll learn more about math and build a mini calculator. See you soon. Thank you.